I wanted to do one more short video for this charting section to quickly show you how to build a histogram and also how to change the number of bins or the bin sizes. So I've got some made up data here and it really doesn't mean anything, but I put it in two columns, cats and dogs. And I'm going to build a histogram for the cats. So I'm going to select my cats column, and don't worry about copying this, just watch and see how to do the functions, because this will be a short video anyhow. So I've selected my data. I'm going to go to the Insert tab, choose Recommended Charts, and then All Charts, and then choose the histogram, and I'll say OK. And what that'll do is that creates a histogram. So one thing I can do is change the axis on the left side, or the vertical axis. I can click on it, and then I'm going to right click and say Format the Axis, and it'll bring this up. I want axis options, and the 3 bars axis options, and here I can change the minimum, which 0 is fine, but I could also change the maximum. So this would control the maximum height of my graph, and if I change it, if I make it larger, then my bars will get smaller. So maybe useful. And then if I click my my horizontal axis and I go to my axis options, notice that we have here the bin width and the number of bins. And what this does is it allows me to control how many bars we have in the histogram. So in this case, let's expand. We're currently at 6 bins. If I wanted to make that 8 bins, I could just go in there, type in a new number, and hit enter, and that would change how my histogram displays. I could also do bin width and then say something like I want bin widths of 10, and then there's smaller bin widths, or I could shorten that. So let's do bin widths of 20, and then I have fewer bars and wider bins. Something else I can do that might be of interest is I can select both columns of data. Let's go, there they are, and do Insert, Recommended Charts, All Charts, and this time I'm going to choose a box and whisker and say OK. And here we can see that both cats and dogs have whiskers. And again, if you're playing with statistics, this might be of value to you, and it's just interesting to see that Excel does produce it.